Hi, and welcome back to No Football Shirt Review. Today we are looking at the leaked Manchester United away shirt for the 25-26 season. This shirt was purchased from kitmm.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. I'll also leave a dhgate link for Manchester United shirts. I'm not sure if it'll be this one because I don't know if the seller's got this one yet, but it is my usual seller. Shirt comes in the standard Adidas bag. On the flip side, it does have the standard health warnings. Now this does, obviously, with the look of this, it screams out that retro Man United shirt. Was it 92 season? I can't remember now. But the blue coloured one, which a lot of people really like. It's a bit of a cult classic kit. So I said this is a leaked one for the 25-26 season, so it's not been confirmed or anything. It's just one of those ones that they've seen, I guess, somewhere, and they've reproduced. Seller, as I said, is kitmm.com. All details for the seller in the description of the video. If you are new around here, make sure to hit the like button, share, and leave any messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But right now, let's get this bag open and have a look at the leaked Manchester United away shirt for the 25-26 season. Okay, we've got the front of the shirt here, and it has just got the standard ring neck collar, but it has got the stretchy material that it had. Was it on this season's home one as well for Manchester United? Yeah, that's strong. To be fair, actually, this does kind of give me the vibes of this season's shirts, just obviously with the retro design. The stripes are embroidered into the material, and you've got the same collar line as you have here on the sleeves. Purple all down the side, and to be fair, I actually really do like the purple. This has been embroidered in, and so is the Manchester United crest. There was a loose thread up there. Snapdragon has been heat pressed on, and I've got to say that feels really smooth actually. At the bottom you have aero ready. I think the material actually, that's a really glossy material, shiny. Actually feels quite nice. Stitching on the bottom looks okay, to be fair. And then we have a sleeve sponsor as always, which is the dhgate technology, and that's quite creased actually from where it's been in the bag. And the pressing's gone on okay, not as smooth as a Snapdragon. Maybe it's just from where it's creased, it just feels a little bit rougher. And then again, Adidas stripes at the top. So there's the front of the shirt. Flip it around and we'll look at the reverse side now too. Okay, we're now on the back, and the collar line continues around from the front to the back. Not a lot really to show you on the back because, as you can see, no name, number. I keep it plain. It's a leaked one. Didn't want anything on there, but the design, as we said before, is just retro, which is what I really do like. Stitching looks a little bit wobbly there, but sometimes, to be fair, on the leaks they're not perfect because they are just ones that they quickly rush out. You could probably go back on there in a week and buy exactly the same shirt or design, but it'll have something different on it because there's something new that they've seen. But that's the reverse side of it. So I think if I push in, that will try on the inside, but the material, say, is glossy, but it is quite thick as well. That's the reverse side. Let's take a look at the inside of the shirt now too. Okay, we're now onto the inside of the shirt. We'll start with the tag. You just get one of these standard Adidas JSY, Adidas jersey tags. A plastic tag onto it. Can't see any product code, QR code or anything on here. Stitching though, all looks pretty good. Manchester United badge, as mentioned, is embroidered in, and yeah, that looks fine. And even the Adidas, again, on the leaked ones, they're not always perfect, but that, to be fair, is pretty good compared to what we've seen before. Snapdragon, I mentioned, that's gone on lovely. No creases. There is a fair few creases from the bag, but here is perfect. Absolutely perfect. We do have a tag with the washing instructions. Recommendation is to hand wash when the shirt is inside out. Do not tumble dry, just let it hang dry. Stitching on the inside is okay. Yeah, it's not too bad at all actually. A little bit wobbly, but it is a leaked one, so you never expect it to be perfect. And there's the sleeve sponsor. I do think that might have been put on over a crease actually, which is why it doesn't feel as perfect on the outside. But again, it's a leaked one, so we expect some blemishes on it. So first part of the inside of the shirt done. Okay, on to the reverse side. This is a size XL. It is a slim fit. I'd probably recommend sizing up, being it's a slim fit. You've got this little bar which you get on all of the shirts around the collar on the Adidas ones. A little bit of loose threading down there. Actually, if I push in now, no, so the material is quite thick actually. You can make out where the shape is, like a slight darkness, but you cannot see the badge at all. So yeah, the material is definitely thicker than what we've had on some of the shirts previously, which is nice to see, because it is probably this glossy thick material. You can't even see Snapdragon for it. But not a lot to call out on this side. But that is the inside and the outside of this Manchester United leaked away shirt for the 25-26 season. Right, and there we have our Manchester United away shirt for the 25-26 season. This is a leaked shirt from kitmm.com, and people who have been around this channel for a while will know I love my retro shirts, and obviously this is just oozing retro. It has got that retro style to it from the shirt from the 90s. I'm sure it's the 90s. So yeah, really do like this one. I will leave a link to kitmm in the description of this video, so if you want to check out their website, by all means go have a look. I'll also leave a dhgate link for my usual seller as well. Hopefully I'll link it to Manchester United shirts. It probably won't be this one in all honesty, but it'll be Manchester United shirts in general. So leave a comment below and let me know what you think of this one. Do you like it? Do you like the retro style to it? Is the purple a nice colour? Because that's what colour this is. And hopefully it's coming across in the video as being purple, but that's what it is. But yeah, hope you've enjoyed this one. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like and share this video out to other people. It helps me out no end. All details for the seller in the description of the video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.